Welcome back. Before we finish off this section, I wanted to show you one last thing. And that is, up until this point, we've used pixels quite a lot. But there's two other options that we can actually use. So let's remove our box models for now. And instead, let's create some paragraphs. So using our Lorem shorthand, and let's close this off. Perfect. Let's say that we also wanted to have another paragraph that says introduction. Save and refresh. And there you go, we have our paragraph. Now, if we wanted to add some class to this paragraph, we can just go in here, and we don't need the box model, so we can delete that. We can do something like P, and let's do font size. And for font size, I've shown you that we can do percentages. But you can also do pixels, so let's do 20 pixels, save and refresh, and we have pixels. Okay, so let's say I want lorem ipsum to be a little bit bigger. You can use span. Again, that's kind of like the div tag that you've seen before. It's just good for inline. So again, this way we can add styles. So I save that, go to styles, and now we can select span. And we can do something like this. We can do font size 5em. I refresh. So what it's saying is we want the font size to be equal to 5 times the containing element, which is 20 pixels, because if you remember, we're inside of a p tag. Just to show you that that is right, if I do 100 pixels and save and refresh, it's the same. So em is kind of nice, because if I do something like 2em and refresh, well, if I change this to 10 pixels and I refresh, this always stays relative to the p. One other one I want to show you is rem, and that is the size in relation to the size of the root element. What is the root element? Well, it's the HTML. So whatever the document is, it's always going to be twice as big. So if I do 5 and refresh, that's great. But if I change the font size over here to 5, that won't be affected at all. Good job getting this far in the course. I know I've thrown a lot of properties and selectors at you, but I promise in the next section we're going to start building some real websites and have fun with all this knowledge. Can't wait. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.